Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mari Martinez. Para los que no me conocen y para los que me conocen, hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm gonna be waxing my armpits. It's been a minute that I haven't waxed my armpits. I don't know if I should look here or here. So I'm gonna look here. Anyways, so last night I was laying down and I was like, I felt something and I was like, what is it? It's an ingrown hair inside my little skin, obviously, right? So I was trying to take it out right now, but a bunch of blood just came out. So yeah, hopefully I don't burn my skin. I don't have much hairs. I've been letting my hairs grow forever and ever for this video, but I have a little bit of hair. I'm sure it will be enough. I don't grow much hair anymore because I keep waxing myself. So I'm gonna be using the same product that I used last time, and on my last video I misspelled the name of the wax company that they sent me, so I'm gonna be leaving it right here. I'm sorry, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be waxing my armpits. I've been having my little wax warmer on for about 10 minutes, I want to say, and I think it's like more than ready. I think it's like the perfect temperature for me not to burn myself. I'm gonna be grabbing the little applicators, and first I'm gonna be waxing my left arm. So last time that I used this wax on my pussy, I loved it. I don't burn myself. I should have just put my shirt down like last time, but I do that right now. It's so easier not to burn yourself, because I feel like this wax warmer just keeps the wax warm enough for you to wax yourself, like in peace, not in pain, to be honest. Okay, I think that's a good applicator. I'm trying to see if I have like little hairs. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to put this little thingy down, or I think I should just leave it like that. I don't know, but I'm getting hot. It's hot in my room. The heater is on, my fan is not on. Okay, so I think it's ready. I love it. Hopefully I get all the hair. I'm gonna try to put like this, and then this one pulled down. Guys, what the fuck, this is crazy. Look at this. And let me see. I want to see. Okay, so I got all the hairs, but I have like some small hairs from the other time that I didn't get down here, so I'm gonna get them this time. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna be pulling it, and then I'm gonna be doing my other armpit. Hopefully I don't burn my little thingy, my little ingrown hair. It's just like really red and purple. It looks like the ingrown hair is still there, and there's still like blood left, but I did took out a lot of blood, but I only have one hand to do it, so it's like really complicated for me to do it by myself, so I need some help. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna let it dry. You know what I noticed today whenever I was doing my makeup earlier? That I need to wax my mustache, so I think I'm gonna do that next time. But I just don't like letting my face hair grow too much, like my pussy hair and my armpit hair. I don't know. Maybe I just need to get used to it, just like I got used to it doing it with my pussy and my armpits, you know. Okay, I got hairs right there, right here, another one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my other armpit. All right, hopefully this, it burns a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie right there, but not as like I'm burning myself that I need to stop doing what I'm doing. It's just like the perfect temperature, and I love how strong the wax truly is. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it's really strong, and it gets all the hairs. I'm probably gonna have to go back and add a little bit more right here because I didn't have enough to apply, and I think a little bit right here, but we will see how it looks whenever I just pull. Okay, I just love doing that. Ouch. Oh, it hurts. Okay, but I got most of the hairs. I left few hairs, but let me show you guys. If you are interested on getting this warmer, go ahead and click the link on my bio. It's gonna be linked down in the description. That's where you can go and get I'm gonna go back. That's where you can go and get this warmer. It works really good. I love the wax. By the way, I'm using, let me show you. Let me do this and then I'll show you guys, because I didn't show you guys. I forgot to show you guys. And I'm just gonna do it everything because I can. When I be editing my videos, I look at the faces that I've been making and I'm just like, okay, damn. Literally. Okay, so it's this little baggie that I'm using for waxing my armpits. It's gonna be linked down below. It's from the same company, Hard Wax Beans, all natural ingredients, 100%. Hair removal for bikini, chest, on the arms, face, etc, etc. I just love doing this. Okay, I got the hairs. Did I have one right here. Usually that's what I do. I just pull them if there's like one hair left. Like, who cares? I got another one right here. Okay, this one was thick as and it hurt. No more hairs. No more hairs. I love how easy and fast it was removing my hairs from my armpit with this wax. I love it. I also love the other one that came in the little boxy. Remember, guys, from the other video, and if you haven't watched the other video, it's gonna be linked down below. I have a bunch of waxing videos. I love waxing myself. Anyways, if you want to get this beautiful warmer, it's not black, it's pink, by the way. I'm gonna be leaving the link down below, as well with the link from this Hard Wax Beans. But yes, guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch one of my videos. I do appreciate that. But thank you, guys. Like I said, if you wanna get this for yourself or for somebody else, it's gonna be linked down in the description. You can get it from Amazon. But yes, guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch one of my videos. I do appreciate that, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.